In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll have Lovable linked to ElevenLabs, so you can bring high-quality AI voices into your projects with just a few clicks. Start by heading to the Lovable website and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, great. You'll land right on your dashboard. From here, look toward the bottom area of the dashboard for your account icon. That icon opens the menu you need. Click it, then choose Settings. This is where all your account configuration lives, including third-party connections. Inside Settings, go to the Connectors section. This page lists all the services you can integrate with Lovable. Use the search bar and type ElevenLabs. As soon as it appears in the results, select it. You're in the right place when you see the option to create a new link between Lovable and ElevenLabs. Next, click Add Connection. Lovable will open a small panel or form to capture the details it needs. You'll see a control labeled Get Value. Click that. This step reveals the secure field where you'll provide your key. Think of it as unlocking the input so Lovable knows you're about to supply a credential. Now, copy and paste your ElevenLabs API key into the field. If you already have your key handy, perfect. If not, remember that API keys are typically found in your ElevenLabs account under Developer or API settings. Keep this key confidential. Treat it like a password. Avoid sharing it in chats or screenshots, and copy it carefully to prevent extra spaces at the beginning or end. With the key in place, click Connect. Lovable will validate the key and establish the connection. You should see a confirmation or a status change indicating that ElevenLabs is now connected. From this point on, Lovable can securely call ElevenLabs to generate voices within your projects. A few quick tips as you finish up. If the connection doesn't succeed on the first try, double-check that the entire key was pasted with no hidden characters. Make sure your ElevenLabs plan includes API access and that the key hasn't expired or been revoked. If you rotate keys in the future for security, remember to come back to this same connector screen and update the value. And if you're working in a team, limit access to the connectors page to only those who need it. That's all it takes. You went from your Lovable dashboard into Settings, over to Connectors, found ElevenLabs, added the connection, unlocked the value field, pasted your secure API key, and connected successfully. You're now ready to use ElevenLabs voices directly in Lovable.